Welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Manya Gupta and we have got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. Hey tech enthusiast, here's an exciting story for you. Google just paid a whopping $2.7 billion to bring back AI genius Noam Shazid. Noam, who helped create the chatbot Nina at Google, left the company in 2021 to co-found the AI startup Character.ai with Daniel De Freitas. The startup quickly became a sensation, reaching a $1 billion valuation. Now Google has made a huge move, not just licensing Character.ai's tech, but also getting Noam back to work on their next generation AI model, Gemini, aimed to rival ChatGPT. Exciting times ahead for AI innovation at Google. So here's the scoop. Over 6 lakh people, including celebs like James McAvoy, Ashley Tisdale, and Tom Brady, shared a viral but fake Goodbye Meta AI message. The message falsely claimed that by sharing it, Meta couldn't use your images or info for AI training. Spoiler alert, it's not true. Meta clarified that reposting this message won't affect your privacy settings. If you want to opt out of AI training, head to your account settings. Don't fall for the hype. Meta also confirmed that they only use public data, not private messages or DMs. So you stay informed. Sam Altman denies executive departures linked to restructuring OpenAI CEO. Sam Altman has denied rumors that the recent departure of the 3 senior executives is tied to a company's restructuring. Speaking at an Italian tech week, Altman clarified that while the board has been contemplating organizational changes for months, these exits are unrelated. Among those leaving are Meera Murthy, OpenAI's Chief Technology Officer, along with Senior Research Executive Barrett Zoff and Bob McGrew. On the same day, reports also surfaced that OpenAI is planning to restructure for-profit benefit corporation, aiming to attract more investors by shifting control from its non-profit board. Before we jump into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you are enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Stay on top of all things about tech. So here's why you should subscribe to IT Voice. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancements to the hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content. Stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world now. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. SEBI chairperson Madhavi Puri emphasized the growing use of AI within the regulatory body during AMFI's annual board meeting. She revealed that SEBI is currently running about a dozen AI projects, with half focused on speeding up approvals and processes. This tech-driven approach is aimed at ensuring IPO documents are processed within 3 months, marking a major efficiency boost. At FICCI's annual capital market conference, Butch noted that AI already handles 80% of SEBI's document processing tasks, highlighting its role in clearing IPOs prospectus and annual reports for REITs and invitees. SEBI's AI initiatives promise to foster faster approvals, contributing to India's wealth creation. Intel has unveiled its new Xeon 6 processors, Gaudi 3 AI accelerators, which is designed to enhance AI workloads in data centers and enterprise. The Xeon 6 boasts performance cores and promises twice the performance of its predecessor, offering better throughput and cost optimization for cloud and AI processing. With increased core count and double memory bandwidth, it's built to handle large AI models and data-heavy environments. The Gaudi 3 AI accelerator is tailored for deep learning tasks, equipped with 64 tensor cores, 8 matrix multiplication engines, and 128 GB of HBM2E memory. Compatible with PyTorch and advanced Hugging Face models, Gaudi 3 is already been integrated into IBM Clouds and Dell Technologies data centers. These advancements aim to meet the growing demand for high-performance AI systems. Meta has launched Llama 3.2, its latest open-source AI model capable of visual and voice interaction. Announced at Meta Connect 2024, Llama 3.2 is the first in its series to integrate image processing, enabling it to interpret and respond to both text and visual data. For instance, it can analyze photos, identify objects like bird species, and even modify images on request. CEO Mark Zuckerberg emphasized that Llama 3.2 aligns with Meta's AI integration strategy across platforms like Instagram and Facebook. It also introduces voice interaction featuring celebrity voices such as Dame Judi Dench, John Cena, and making conversations more engaging. Initially available in select countries, Llama 3.2 is set to expand further. Last but not the least, Ola introduces AI-powered repairs for EVs. Ola is bringing a game-changing feature for electric vehicle users with AI-powered diagnostics. As a part of upcoming Move OS 5 update, your Ola scooter will now be able to detect and solve issues before they even happen. Imagine your vehicle running check on itself and sending you updates, ensuring a smoother ride with fewer breakdowns. These proactive maintenance alerts will allow problems to be fixed right at your doorstep, saving you the hassle of long repair times. Ola is also doubling its service centers to 1,000 by December, ensuring even faster support if needed. With AI in driver's seat, Ola is making EV ownership more convenient and reliable than ever. So that's all for week's AI Digest. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we will see you next time on IT Voice.